Today's lecture we are going to start the cylinder. Now, first I tell the definition. What is a cylinder? A cylinder is a surface generated by a straight line which is always parallel to a fixed straight line satisfying one more condition. That is, means example, it intersects a given curve or touches a given surface. The fixed straight line is called the axis of the curve, and the guiding curve of the cylinder, the moving straight line, is called the generator of a cylinder. Clear? Here we consider the right circular cone. What is right circular cone? A right circular cylinder. A right circular cylinder is a surface generated by a straight line which intersect a fixed circle guiding curve and it perpendicular to the plane of circle. The norms at to the plane of the guiding circle through its center is called the axis of cylinder, and the radius of the circle is the radius of cylinder. Now, for finding the equation of right circular cone, we know the equation of axis. The equation of axis is in the form of x minus alpha upon L, y minus beta upon m, z minus gamma upon n. And here the radius is r. We have to consider p, x, y, z be the any point lies on the cylinder, and the point A, alpha, beta, gamma be of fixed point on the axis. For finding the equation of the cone, we know the one point on the axis A into the bracket alpha, beta, gamma. Clear? Then let us consider the one point lies on the generator. This line is a generator. P, X, Y, Z be the any point lies on the generator. PM is the radius of the cylinder. PM is the radius of the cylinder. For finding the equation of the cone, we know this point A, alpha, beta, gamma. We have to consider the point P, X, Y, Z be the any point lies on the generator, and R, PM is a radius. Then with the help of the distance formula, find the distance AP. AP is equal to bracket x minus alpha bracket square plus y minus beta bracket square plus z minus gamma bracket square. AM. AM is the projection of AP on the axis AB. AM is the AM. You have to find out the distance AM. You have to find out the distance AP, and you know the distance PM. Clear? In the problem, the radius is given. You have to find out the distance AP using the distance formula. Find out the AM using the projection concept. AM is a projection of AP on the axis. Projection of the line passing through the XYZ, and the point B into bracket x2, y2, z2. Clear? Now see the projection concept. You have to find out the projection. Projection of a PQ. PQ is equal to, here you know the DRS. You know the DRS. A, B, C are the DRS, and consider the second minus first. X2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, and z2 minus z1 means multiply DRS A into x2 minus x1, B into y2 minus y1, C into z2 minus z1 upon under root of a square plus b square plus c square. This is a formula for finding the projection. Clear? Means AM is a projection of AP, means this line AM. AM is a projection of AP on the axis. Clear? Then how to find out? DRS is element. DRS is element. AM into x minus alpha. You have to difference between these 2 points, x minus alpha, y minus beta, and z minus gamma, and multiply by the DRS. Element are the DRS. L into x minus alpha plus m into y minus beta, n into z minus gamma upon under root of L square plus m square plus n square. Then with the help of the Pythagoras theorem, AP square is equal to PM square plus AM square. Clear? AP square, substitute the value. PM square is a radius of the cylinder, and AM is a projection. Substitute the value, and you have to solve this equation. You get the equation of right circular cylinder. This is a standard procedure for finding the right circular cylinder. Let us consider the one problem. Now see, this is a problem. Find the equation of right circular cylinder of radius 2 and the equation of the axis is. Here the radius is given and the equation of axis is given. First, there are the total 3 points. First write down, let the point on the axis, this is a point x minus x1, y minus y1 and z minus z1, means 1, 2, 3 is a point passing on the axis. Write down first point, one point on the axis, 1, 2, 3. Then the second is, you know the DRS, 2 minus 3, 6. DRS of the axis 2, minus 3, 6. And you know the radius of the cylinder. You know the radius of cylinder. Clear? Then you have to consider this point A, 1, 2, 3 lies on the axis. P, X, Y, Z be the any point lies on the DRS, and the PM is the radius of the cylinder. P, X, Y, Z be the any point lies on the cylinder. A, 1, 2, 3 be the point on the axis. M be the perpendicular PM is a perpendicular distance from the axis. Clear? Then find out the AP using the distance formula. X minus 1 bracket square plus y minus 2 bracket square plus z minus 3 bracket square, means AP is equal to under root of x minus 1 square plus y minus 2 square plus z minus 3 square. PM is a radius, is a given. PM is a radius of the cylinder is 2. Now see the concept. AM is the projection of AP on the axis. AM is a projection of AP on axis. AM is equal to, you have to multiply the DRS. Denominator is DRS 2 minus 3, 6. 2 into x minus 1 minus 3 into y minus 2 plus 6 into z minus 3. And upon under root of, only consider the DRS, under root of 2 square minus 3 square and 6 square. This is a concept of finding the projection AM. You have to find out the projection AM, the line projection of AP on axis. AP on axis. Then denominator is DRS 2 minus 3, 6 and x minus 1 plus y minus 2 plus z minus 3, and denominator contain under root of 2 square minus 3 square plus 6 square. Then simplify this. 2x minus 2 minus 3y plus 6 plus 6z minus 18. After simplifying, you get 2x minus 3y plus 6z minus 14 upon under root of 49. Under root of 49 means 7. Then with the help of Pythagoras theorem, find out. Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse means AP square. AP square is equal to sum of squares of remaining two sides. AM square plus PM square, means AP square is equal to AM square plus PM square. AP distance formula we have calculated. Substitute here. Square and square root get cancelled, because here AP square, AM square means you have to expand, means bracket square. Bracket this AM square means 2x minus 3y plus 6z minus 14 upon 7 square is 49. And radius is 2. 2 square is 4. Then simplification is necessary here. Then your first step is multiply 49 to each term, then 49 into this bracket, 49 into this bracket, and also expand x square minus 2x plus 1, y square minus 4y plus 4, z square minus 6z plus 9. Right hand side is equal to 2x minus 3y plus 6z minus 14 bracket square plus 4. Clear? Then you have to multiply 49 with the 4. This is the most important concept. Maximum student forgot this. 49 into 4. You have to multiply 4 into 49. Means denominator is 49. 49 multiplied to each term. Multiply the left hand side. Here you have to multiply, but 49 get cancelled. Then 4 into 49 is 49. Then you have to simplify. Clear? 49 multiply with the brackets, and also expand this bracket square, also expand this bracket square. After simplifying, you get this answer: 45x square plus 40y square plus 13z square plus 12xy plus 36y square minus 46xz minus 42x minus 280y minus 126z plus 294. This is the concept of finding the equation of the cone. The concept is you have to find out the AP using the distance formula. AM is a projection concept. PM is the radius of the cylinder given, and with the help of the Pythagoras theorem, AP square is equal to AM square plus PM square. Substitute all the value, simplify, and find out the equation of the right circular cylinder.